Hi there, my name is Chris Eby. I am with eXp Realty here in Durham Market, which is just outside Toronto in the GTA area. Wanted to say a few words about Evolved Agents. I'm very pleased with all the support and staff, and very happy with the leads that I'm getting from my Facebook campaigns. It's on autopilot. I just do my job, which is really to convert and get clients and show them properties or help them sell their property, etc. So far, I just closed my first deal. I've got a few more in the pipe, just specifically from Evolved Agents Facebook campaigns, and very happy with the support. And Sam and the group there, whenever I need any help, they're there to help me get through any challenges that I have. They also have a great support system to plug into, which are the collab calls. Now on Friday, they have script training as well, which is amazing. So far, so good. But just to let you know, in the beginning, when I started in December, I was actually quite skeptical. Honestly, I was thinking even of canceling. Sam calmed me down, and I put my faith back into it, and thankfully I did. So far, I've already got my money back on my investment and much more. So, anybody who's looking at Evolved Agents, I highly recommend it, and I hope this helps anybody that is looking at it. Take care for now.